Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust notifications for your GOG Galaxy. So in order to do this, let's click on this gear icon, then move to the settings. Now let's find notifications. Here we'll be able to adjust any notifications, so let me just show you examples. First we have message received, and we'll be able to adjust the first option right here. Click on it and you'll be able to change it to get it only when you get overlay, when that means when you're in the game, when you get desktop on the desktop, and that means only when you're using GOG Galaxy like I'm using right now, so I don't have any games opened, and when you have desktop and overlay enabled, so that means it works for both of them. You can also set it as idle, and that way you will never get notification for message received. Here also you can set it if you want to get the sound when messages is coming or not. And you can do this for every tab right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.